Hello and welcome to the club. With its encouraging phrase, versatile frame, and 3 great paste colors, this month's design will be an easy favorite. Your shipment this month comes with 3 Chalkology Paste singles, Couture Coral, Tide, and Ocean Mist. The surface we've chosen is the double-sided 9x12 box frame, which is a perfect fit for your B-sized Rise Up transfer. Let's get started. To begin, I'll prep my transfer by removing it from the backer sheet and press it down to the terry cloth side of our fuzzing cloth, or you could use a towel. This just picks up a bit of lint and gentles the adhesive to prevent stretching. I'll get it centered on the board and then smooth it out, making sure there are no wrinkles or bubbles. I'll prepare my first paste color, this lovely Ocean Mist, by kneading the packet a bit to make sure the paste is mixed and ready. Then I'll squeeze some out onto this small dish I'm using for a palette. Using a mini squeegee, I'll load up some paste and then just carefully chalk the frame portion of the design. This little guy is the perfect tool to let you work around other elements. Once that is totally covered, I'll scrape off the excess, and then I'm just going to peel back the transfer design so that the chalk paste doesn't dry while I'm working with the other colors. I'll just carefully peel it back, and once it's dried for a minute, I can place it back on the board. Easy to do because I can see through the screen for perfect alignment. I'll make sure the center portion is adhered well, and now I'm ready for the other colors. I'll prep these both the same way, kneading, then squeezing out a bit onto the dish, first with this beautiful Couture Coral, and then for this deeper Tide color. Now I'll take my other mini squeegee and just chalk the 2 smaller lines of text, May the Road, and then To Meet You. Then using my small squeegee, I'll load up some of this Tide paste and chalk the center text, Rise Up. Again, just applying it carefully, working around the other chalked elements, then scraping off the excess. And now for the best part, the reveal. I'll just peel this straight back, and there it is. It's so pretty. So quick, so easy, and it's the perfect encouragement for whatever road lies ahead. Happy chalking!